Boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Crafts with Pam and Kelsey. We're doing a whole new craft and let's dive in. Kelsey, what's today's craft?
Snowflake, snowflake, snowflake.
All right, let's fall into this one.
So what we need for our snowflake craft is construction paper, paper plate for tracing, an Abundant Kids pen for tracing, and scissors.
We have scissors, which means adult supervision.
So the 4 steps for making a snowflake are trace it. So we're going to trace a circle. You know, I think he's really getting the hang of these crafts.
Look at that. That is perfection. Too bad they can't see it, Pam. It's a blue pen.
It's black, no?
No, it's blue.
Oh.
Okay, we made a circle, now what?
Now you have to actually cut it.
Tell him, Kelsey.
I have to cut it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Cut it
that's
out.
the tricky part.
Cut it out. No? Fold it. So what we're gonna do is with your circle,
Yeah,
you're
we
gonna
finished at
fold
the
it
same
in half.
time.
Okay.
We're gonna cut it in half.
Fold it with your fingers, the good one.
Use my good finger.
Yep.
And
Taco.
And then you're gonna fold it
Good
in half
finger.
again.
Pizza.
So
Pizza,
that's a
pizza.
really
That's
big-
true.
it's
That's
two-
true.
it's two
And then you're gonna fold it one more time.
No, now it's one.
Now it's
No, this is pie.
cut it. And this is where you get creative, and you're gonna grab your scissors and you're just gonna cut out different shapes.
Different shapes.
Yep, whatever you want. Like you can put a triangle here in this tip. You can cut that out. You can do you can try to make a heart shape, like I'm trying to do right now.
Make a heart shape. Oh.
You know, a half heart.
I think Bob's done too.
I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
No redos.
There is a redo. I just went back.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. I'm overthinking this.
I think I'm gonna win.
I'm done. You guys done?
Yeah, me too. Show everybody. Wham! Bam! Thank you, man.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I want another piece of paper. I want
Okay, bam. Teacher Gabe's gonna decide whose is the best.
That's pretty cool. How did you cut that out? Cool.
I went back to sector 9.
Wham!
Well, and let us know. Yes!
Boo! Now it's really snowflakes. We'll see you next week on Crafts, Pam and Kelsey.